Okay, so today in today's episode, what we're going to be doing, yesterday, a little recap. We got some stuff painted up, finished the carb rebuild, cleaned out the reeds. Today, we're going to pull the bike out. I got to throw the bars on, we'll pull the bike out. I need to get these brakes bled on the front, mess with the back. I got a bag of bolts for the plastics. We're going to bolt the plastics up. And we're gonna get moving, get some progress done today. Gotta get some stuff out of the way, get the bike out in the sunlight. Be back with you. Alright, so we got the bars back on, they're looking good. Not the best it's gonna come out. I need to get new grips for it. What we're gonna do today is, well, these bolts gotta be tight on both sides. I don't know if they were for mirrors or what, but we need brakes. We need to bleed the front brake. Maybe take the back wheel off or whatever, see what kind of condition the brakes are in, or at least just get them working. We're gonna get this exhaust painted up probably. See, there's a bunch of missing bolts, stuff like that. I bought a whole bag full of bolts for the seat and all that. You might not put the seat ones in yet, so I gotta take the seat and tank off, put the cylinder on. So, this I'm gonna try to keep with you guys. We're gonna spray everything up with PB Blaster. Just get everything. We're gonna paint that. I did this the other day. Get inside the brake handle. I'm gonna have to take that green thing off right there. We're gonna let that PB Blaster soak and I'll be back with you. Alright, so I got this bolt cracked loose and this one stripped, so I'm gonna drill that out because I gotta get in here and put brake fluid so I can bleed them. Once I get it drilled out, I'll be back with you guys. Okay, so I got it drilled out. Not all the way. We gotta keep going with it. Try to get another screw in there. What you wanna do right now? There's actually brake fluid in there. Let's see. Yeah, there's actually brake fluid in there. I could probably get vice grips on that. So, alright, I'm gonna try to get these vice grips on here, see if I can get this off. I'll be back with you. Alright, guys, so I got that screw out. Came right out. I'm gonna have to get a replacement. Came out pretty nice. I wasn't expecting it to actually come out. Got the cover off. I got the brake fluid, old brake fluid coming out the line because we're putting all new fluid in it. Doing a fluid flush. We're going to clean all this gunk up. Brush. I'm going to do the front brakes because it's a two-hand job, and then I'm going to set some sort of tripod up and do some time lapse for the rear brake to get that working. We're going to lube up the chain. We might paint the shock today. To see how I can get that refilled. I'm going to clean up the exhaust, probably paint that. So, when we get to it, I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so, love the brakes, but they're still spongy. As you can see, if you want to watch the video here. It is moving. It's got good brake pads on it, but I don't know if it's... I'm using DOT 3 brake fluid. If any of you guys know it takes a different brake fluid, let me know. Now I'm going to have to order a new brake kit, I guess. So I guess we'll move on to the back brakes. I don't even know if they work out right now. I think if we just... It's all bent up right here. I think if we just start unbending it a little bit, it'll probably work. I'm going to try that and show you guys the results. Alright, so we got some good news, and of course we got some bad news. Bad news is, I need new brakes all the way around. I need back brake pads because they're shot. I'm going to need a new master cylinder, I'm going to say. There may possibly a different sort of brake fluid these older bikes take, I'm not sure. I'll do some research. Back pads are shot. But the good news, I just drained the oil to see what kind of condition the bottom end's in. It's fresh oil. Yeah, I don't like doing this, but it's not brand new, but that's fresh oil. It's not black. Good. Now I gotta mess it up, but then I got some cat litter. Get some cat litter on there. Throw some under the plate. I hate an oil. I don't know about you guys, but I hate it. So, I also threw it in a video yesterday, but we got some parts yesterday. We got a new filter. So I'm not going with the stock air box because it's missing. So, I went a different route and just got a filter. We got a new spark plug and fuel on it. So we're waiting on rings, we're waiting on a bunch of stuff. But like I said, $300 bike. Knew what I was getting into. It ain't that bad. It's got spark, so that's covered. So that's that. The only other thing I was gonna do today was paint the shop. Paint the shop. That's gonna probably wrap up this video for today. I'm gonna probably do another video tomorrow, a cold start on the Volkswagen. It has been sitting for about probably 2 months. So we'll do that. Then we'll get back onto this. Alright. Like, subscribe, comment what you do different. Comment if you like the content. Just make sure you smash that subscribe button. You did, guys. Hey guys, here's that Volkswagen. Just giving you guys an update on it. I have the battery plugged into a tender. Hopefully it's charged enough by tomorrow. I don't really use this car, it just sits. It is tuned, it's boosted, obviously. It's a good little car. You just don't drive it. So it is charging. I am putting a lot of effort in to get these videos out. Hopefully tomorrow that'll be charged up enough to show you guys the Volkswagen. Let me see if I have a bag or something. There. This will do. So let's get out of there. That's disgusting. Well, there's Bose. It's got 153,000. Does boost pretty hard. It's tuned for 28 psi. That's why I don't really drive it. It's not really a daily driver. Like that. Close this out. Like I said, I am putting a lot of effort into getting these videos out. So that should be ready for a cold start tomorrow. Maybe a test drive. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay tuned for more.